Greetings. Welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on parables, and today's parable is about where to sit when you get invited to a wedding. So listen good, and if you want more people to hear God talking to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you don't do it yet, this is your invitation to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of what is happening right here, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 14 from verse 7 to verse 11. Jesus see how the guests them a try to sit down near the head of the table. So him tell them the little story. When somebody invite you to go a one wedding, no sit down in at the best seat, cause them might have did invite somebody more special than you. The one we invite the two of you, we can tell you say, get a man your seat. Shame we take you, and you will have to take the lowest seat. So when they invite you, take the lowest place. That way the somebody will invite you. We can say to you, say, friend, move up, go take one better place. Then you will get big up in front of the guests them. Everybody will put themselves over other people. We get put on. But if you humble yourself, you will get big up. I got what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.